I have more trouble with these cords. So today we're going to go ahead, well, it's already sanded. We're going to sand this, and then we're going to go ahead and build the base. So if you have any suggestions how to maintain, control these cords, could you pass that along?
The leftover stock that I had didn't have a straight edge, so I had to put a straight edge on it, use that up against the fence of my table saw. I cut this in a couple different passes because it was so thick, and my blades were really taking a beating, and I burned a lot of the material. This just meant I got to sand later, and you know how I enjoy sanding. Once I got my square edge, I went ahead and took the guide off and then just used the actual straight edge along the fence and cut this in a couple different passes as well. Like always, I cut parts. Laid them out in the position I was going to use so I could do my contours. I use my spindle sander and I can't even remember when, but it's nice to have it when you need it. And went to sanding on my burn marks. Did my layout for my biscuits, did some countersinks, and cut the biscuits. Next morning I took the clamps off and got to sanding.
Man, I love sanding. As a side note, I ordered a new Powermatic 2244 drum sander, which is on its way.
Did the end dowels without a jig, which wasn't fun, and then rounded everything over before I put it together. I'm going to build the base right on the bottom of the tabletop. Before the glue's dry, I'm going to bolt it down and that way it'll fit tight on the bottom. Made sure I had a good square layout. And put 4 threaded inserts all the way around. When the base was dry, I took it off and I rubbed it down with some stain. I used 2 colors so I could get some variations, kind of like the slabs I used for the top itself. The second stain I just used kind of like highlights or lowlights. Then a coat of clear finish. How often do cans land upright when you knock them off of a table? Never. When the finish dried, I reattached it to the table. So there it is. Looks pretty good. Not 100% satisfied with it. I don't know that the style goes with this, but it's oak and it blends in real well. As always, we need subscribers and like our videos, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.